Stir-fried radish with fried minced fish cake.
Ayan. Tatakpan muna natin yan. So, ready done na yung ating...
Yan guys is steamed pen shell scallop with vermicelli. So, garnish lang natin ng fried garlic and spring onion. So, ayan, is already done.
So, maglagay tayo ng spring onion. Yan. Dito. Garnish natin. Yan, magtira tayo.
Stir-fried Chinese celery, trumpet mushroom with dried yellow bean curd and fried minced shrimp. Steamed cabbage roll with minced pork and minced shrimp. And this one is fried bacon wrap enoki mushroom. Vegetarian style, stir-fried Chinese celery, dried yellow bean curd, black fungus, white shimmeji mushroom, and snow peas. And then the last is mag-stir-fry tayo ng sweet pepper with green and red. Pwedeng gumamit kayo ng yellow. Pork meat cut into strips and the mustard tuber. Ayan, stir-fry lang natin yan guys.